So what I'll say is, I know that there are now, especially now, there are some supplements definitely coming onto the market that are marketed as testosterone boosters. I haven't gotten a chance to look into those yet and uh, debunk them, so to speak. We do have, I mean, if you get a test and you see that you're low in testosterone, I'll tell you this: your testosterone levels can impact your well-being. It can impact your mental well-being. So if you are clinically low in testosterone and you increase your testosterone levels above that clinically low level, mental well-being will increase. It's not just a factor of your muscle mass and your sports performance, although that will also improve as well, but mental well-being will increase, which is super important. So I would say if you find yourself at a clinically low level of testosterone, you can try the supplement boosters. I haven't debunked and looked at them in depth yet, and I need to, and I will. But one of the ways that this is often treated is there are different drugs that people can use. I would say the main way to start, if anybody's looking into that, is probably not to start with exogenous testosterone. It's probably to start with something called HCG. That's because HCG will increase your testosterone production sort of endogenously, and you won't be shutting down as many processes. Also, HCG won't shut down your fertility, whereas exogenous testosterone, the stuff you inject, although you'll inject both of them, will shut you down in terms of your fertility. So maybe a safer bet would be to start with HCG, and then if that doesn't work, then you can try exogenous testosterone. In most cases, the HCG will work. But as far as testosterone boosters are concerned, I don't know about those drug supplements as well as I want to, and I will be learning more about that and communicating more about that in the future.